Right, okay, I'm actually going to try one more level because I keep getting booted out every time I try to join one. So I'm going to go to team picks and see what the team have picked for this. Let's do speedy boats. Sounds pretty cool. I'm presuming we are racing in a boat of sorts. So let's load it up, go on. Yeah, it's loading ever so slowly. Taking its sweet time, isn't it? Taking a very sweet time indeed. Let's cancel out of it. I can't cancel out of it. No, it's loading. I'm stuck now. That's great. That is just dandy. Will I actually get into a game sometime now? That'd be just great. No, okay. Let's try it one more time. Right, okay. Okay, so we're actually going straight into a game. That's pretty cool. But the same level, that's very odd. Like sometimes you disconnect and then you can reconnect and just get into a game straight away. It's dodgy. Ooh. Ooh, I can't move. The hell? I'm stuck. I can't slap. This is fun. It looks pretty neat though. Just this narrow straight. Oh, I wonder, is anyone going to join? Let's have a little look. Speedy built by LBPK_community. Friends. All of them are offline. In a different craft first, so. Right. I am the only player playing this level. It's fun. Let's see. Can we get anyone? No, we're not going to get anyone. No. Okay. Looks like I'm going to be racing this myself. And why did I change back into a car? Oh. What colours? I'm a red one. Suits my sushi boy. Let's race. Go. Oh. Huh. Wow. Pretty neat. Can I drift? I can drift as well. I have to go by purely by the sound effects. Oh god. I'm going ramp. Get some airtime. Look at that. It's actually pretty damn cool. Not gonna lie. Oh god, I'm out of bounds. Is there any weapons? There's gonna be like no weapons in this, isn't there? Ugh. It's just dandy. That is just dandy. Oh, he's down. I should be able to get in front. There's like no weapons. Weapons have been disabled. That means it's going to be really hard to catch up. Really hard. For my standards. Ugh. Jump through it. 2. Stop drifting now. God damn it. 1, 2. There we go. Got a bit of a speed boost. We can jump over there. got a bit more of a speed boost. We can jump over here. Now we're first all of a sudden. No, I was going to say now we're fourth. Don't trick me, game. Do not want to be tricked. Get third. If I can land this right. Oh, look at that. Oh god, I don't want to hit that. That's a big problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum boost. And I can. Oh god, that looked like a wonky jump and a half. Oh, there's a shortcut there. Now I recognise the bloody shortcut. And there's one actual boost. There's no weapons at all. Oh, 1, 2, 3. I'm first. How am I first? No, I'm not. I'm third. No, I can't catch up. I cannot catch up at all. That's a pretty cool racetrack. I'm not gonna lie. I quite enjoyed that. That was fun. That was pretty damn fun. We have good taste. Do we? Do we have good taste? Because that is very opinionated. Okay, I wonder, can we do another level?